shocking, very shocking, as the desperate and under fire suspended police minister Senzo Mchunu relies on an unsigned minutes of some meeting that must have taken place on the 1st of November. Listen to this clip.
The decision to disband.
Before you proceed, Minister, are you satisfied, Honorable Member? Honorable Ngola?
No, thanks, Chair. Just to check that the minutes the witness is referring to is bundle 4, page 164. And if the witness has actually noticed that the minutes are not signed. Just that, Chair. Thank you.
The minutes for which meeting?
The 1st of November, 2024.
From which he just read now.
Yes.
Yeah, but the question was whether there was a meeting with the three, and the answer is no.
Yes, Chair, I understand that part, but I'm saying if the minister noticed that they are not signed, so it actually touches on the authenticity and the credibility of the minutes. I was just raising that, Chair. It's fine. Thank you.
This came about when the police minister, who's on special leave, Senzo Mchunu, appeared in the Parliament's ad hoc committee investigating the corruption, the political interference in the police service. You'd know that these investigations came as a result of the press briefing that was held by Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, the KZN Police Commissioner, who held a press briefing on the 6th of July and made a number of allegations. And he has since appeared before the Madlanga Commission and the Parliament's ad hoc committee and presented much high volume of evidence. Right? Forget what the mainstream media is saying, because the mainstream media is trying to protect Mchunu, Ramaphosa, and others, as they keep asking, where's the evidence? But evidence has been presented in those two forums. So Senzo Mchunu was pressed by Advocate Norman Arendse, Senior Counsel, who's an evidence leader in the Parliament's ad hoc committee. He was pressed about the disbandment of the political killing task team that was operating in KwaZulu-Natal. He was asked the question that, did he have consult or have a meeting where he was given a presentation by people who were responsible for the political killing task team, starting with the National Police Commissioner, General Fani Masemola, the project leader who's leading the PKTT, which is Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, who also happens to be the head of the crime intelligence, and then Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, who's the police commissioner in KwaZulu-Natal, because the PKTT is based in KwaZulu-Natal. So Mchunu was asked that question. He said no, he didn't have a specific meeting with those individuals or generals responsible for the PKTT. He said, but on the 1st of November, there was a meeting that was held which discussed this issue. He then presented the minutes that are unsigned. I mean, for someone who's a minister who came into Parliament with that levels of arrogance, you'd expect that he would know that for minutes to take any effect, for minutes of any meeting to have any credibility, they have to be signed. But those minutes are not signed. It tells you about the levels of arrogance and stupidity that some of these ANC ministers have. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tebus Kosana.